Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. You can also get more details from our website at www.livehive.com. Now it's time to step up your social media strategy and begin using Pinterest for business. Why? Because this significantly untapped social asset might be the accumulation place for you to showcase your brand and business to an engaged, niche marketplace that is ready to spend. 5 steps to getting started on Pinterest. You'll be wondering how pinning lovely pictures on a virtual board can help you grow your business. With 11 million users and checking, Pinterest is the third most popular social media site in the US. It's moreover right behind Twitter and more well-known than Google+ in driving website referral traffic, and website visitors mean more openings to convert prospects into paying customers. Furthermore, with the addition of Pinterest business-specific accounts, this needs to tell you there's a hell of a lot more on the site than felting strategies and bridal eye candy. Number 1. Create your Pinterest business account. There are 3 ways to make a Pinterest business account. You can include a business profile to your personal account, convert your personal account, or make a new business account. We'll tell you how to start from scratch, since many of the following steps are the same. Number 1. Go to pinterest.com/business/create. If you have a personal account, you will have to log out to begin with. Enter your mail and a new password, then tap Create Account. Number 2. After choosing your location and language, add your business name. Then select the description that best fits what your business does and add a link to your site. Number 3. Connect your Instagram, YouTube, and Etsy accounts. Doing so ensures pins from these sites will be credited to your business. Also, you can track related analytics. Number 4. Let Pinterest know if you plan to run advertisements on the platform. You can also select to provide contact information for a rep to urge in touch. Number 5. Edit your profile perfectly. To get there from the Business Hub dashboard, tap the pencil icon close to your name. You may wish to change your profile name since it consequently pulls from the email you use. Next, add a profile photo that represents your brand. Dimensions should be 165 by 165 pixels. Once you fill in the About section, try to incorporate many keywords. Click Done to save. Number 6. Press Claim in the left-hand menu to claim your website. This will allow you to track site analytics. Moreover, any pins that link back to a claimed account incorporate your profile photo and take after button, which means better visibility and possibly more follows. Number 7. Create a Pinterest board. From your profile, click the plus sign over Make a Board. Include a descriptive title. Then find the board on your profile and click the pencil icon. Add a description that incorporates keywords. Select a category for your board. This will help with SEO. Finally, upload a best-fitting cover photo. Number 8. Make your first pin. From your dashboard, press the plus sign in the upper right corner. Add a title and description. Be sure to incorporate keywords and related hashtags. Include a destination link. Test to ensure it works and make sure it corresponds to the pin's content. Upload a picture or video. You'll crop, trim, and include logos and content in the pin editor. Make sure you use a high-quality file. Find the specs here. Consider installing the Pinterest Save button. It helps to effectively populate your boards with content from your site or somewhere else. Or try Pinterest catalogs to turn items into pins all at once. Number 2. Pin to turn followers into customers. The cool thing about Pinterest is that your boards are what you make them. To make a board for any theme, categorize it and provide it a cool name. Next, install the Pin It bookmarklet onto your browser. This button lets you rapidly pin content from your site and other sites directly into your boards. You'll moreover pin pictures from your computer by clicking Add on the top right toolbar on Pinterest and follow the instructions. What to pin? If there is a rule of thumb for what to pin, it's this. Make your pins fun, motivating, and informative. For example, suppose you offer a service. Pin pictures of individuals using your service. In addition, incorporate a call to action, i.e., learning how to do this. Pins with a call to action have an 80% higher engagement rate. Be in vogue. Pins relating to trending topics on Pinterest have a 92% click-through rate. Look at Pinterest's popular category and tailor your pins according to the most smoking trends. Also, pin irregular stuff you think is cool. Price your pins. Do not hold back. Pins that include costs for items or services get 36% more likes. And if you specify the cost in your pin description, Pinterest consequently creates a cost banner. Repins are where the rubber meets the road. When Pinterest clients repin your pictures to their own boards or like your pins, your business and brand begin to make a genuine mark. Pinterest is made up of 80% repins compared to Twitter's 1.4% in retweets. So before you choose what to pin, consider what's most repinnable. Number 3. Follow the rules of the pinning game. Be real and be motivating. Pinterest is an expression of you and your business, so do not be anxious to show your personal side. Instead, pin your interests and interface along with business stuff. Link pins back to their unique source. The Pin It button automatically gets a picture source link, crediting the initial publisher. If you repin something from another board, press the pin to make sure it links back to an authentic site. If not, report it or leave a comment. Pin in a convenient fashion. Conventional wisdom says to pin between 2 to 4 p.m. or between 8 p.m. and 1 a.m. It is ideal if you tend to burn the midnight oil. Bitly, the URL shortening company, swears by the victory of Saturday morning pins. Explore with your own pinning timeframes. Utilize the Pinography bookmarklet to seize ideas and plan your pins during different times. Build your brand together with your words. Type in conversational and concise pin descriptions and use humor. Researchers say it boosts learning and info recall. Pin on popular boards if they are open to everybody. These boards tend to have a high number of subscribers and will grow the reach of your brand. Number 4. Show them the SEO love. Search engines love unique content. Pinterest is the place to practice good search engine optimization, or SEO, with its massive following and original content. Use the Pin It button. The Pin It button may be a must-have for your site or blog. It lets people share your content on their Pinterest boards, connecting their followers back to your website. Build backlinks into your pins to boost your SEO rankings. Backlinks happen from links included in captions and other data on your Pinterest posts. Use keywords in your About profile, content, and pins to help increment your Pinterest page rank when your prospects search. Build community. If somebody follows you, follow them back. Comment on, like, and repin their pictures. This will energize them to like you back. The greater and more dynamic your Pinterest community, the more exposure for your biz. Integrate. Include Pinterest social sharing buttons to your blog, mail campaigns, and site. Ask LinkedIn, Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube fans to follow you on Pinterest. Then, tweet your pins and share them on Facebook. Number 5. Do the numbers. Like every social media platform, Pinterest has measurements. Number of repins, likes, etc. Want to see what people are pinning from your own site? Just jump to your Pinterest source page. In addition, Pinfluencer, Pin Analytics, and other third-party tools allow you a slew of information, such as the number of referrals and your business influence. All of this delicious information can help you plan key pinning campaigns. One final tip to keep you and your followers engaged: download the Pinterest app onto your iPhone or Android. Then, when you're running around town and see something cool, snap a pic and pin it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the live Hive squad and be a part of our channel. Thank you for watching.